Hello and welcome. Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to today's webinar, come introductory session of internships provided by VCBR. Thank you for taking out the time and being here today. I am Arth Nangia, senior mentor here at VCBR, and I have spent almost an year as a senior mentor here with focus on counseling students individually. We'll be starting our event in two. I think we should wait for 2 more minutes to students. Let students join. Let's wait for them. I guess it's the time now. Most of us have joined the session. Let's start. So I'll be welcoming all those who joined now. So I am Mert Nangia, the senior mentor here at VCBR, and I will be just taking the lead in this session. We will be running a live questionnaire session at the end of the session. So we have enabled an ask a question or chat support. So we have enabled that feature. It is on the top of your screen if you are using a mobile, or if you have any questions, just pop them in there. And if you miss anything, don't worry. We will be sending around a documentation when it's available. Today we'll be looking at the following. We'll be knowing more about the organization in which you guys will be working. That means we will be knowing more about the organization, which is VCBR. The next we will be looking at the internship launch program. Then we will be looking at the task which you all guys will be performing, and you will be learning by staying in this community. At last we will be going to the FAQ session, in which we can have an active discussion by you guys. So VCBR, what VCBR is, it is a student health club where CBR means community-based rehabilitation at student level. As we know that this is an era of information. That means everything is available free of cost in the market. So what VCBR aims to is help students who have faced the lack of awareness in the initial days of the colleges by providing them the information about the various events, internship offers and resources that actually makes them independent and aware. So let's look what exactly we do. We provide free courses to the students. We provide internship offers. This is one our internship launch program by VCBR. We provide information about the events and fest, and this is one also the important thing that we require in our lives, because some entertainment is also necessary, and these fest provide some sort of information that we get the information about the webinars, the competition, the contest. We provide information about that. We provide information about the various quizzes by which has been organized by VCBR or the other organization that is beneficial for the students. So the point here comes, what are our core values, or what make us and Taming with You unique? So it's the passion that we all share, a common passion for setting and achieving goals by collaborating with students, for working to make this world a better place. So as I know, as you all guys know, that you all are here for the internship purpose. Some for the web development, some for the front end, back end part, and some for the database, some for the digital marketing purpose. So actually, why we all are here? So the point here is we will be focusing on the 3 points, that those are teamwork, proactiveness, and the ownership. That means we all will be collaborating with each other. We will be divided into teams and we will be learning with each other. We'll be sharing our success stories after this 4 weeks duration. We'll be taking interest and earn respect by mentioning this internship in our CVs. Now let's look at the student success roadmap at VCBR. So whenever a student comes into the VCBR platform, it actually added as an admin. Then if he or she works better, he gets upgraded to the expert position. Then we have the junior mentor, and next we have the senior mentor positions. So these all positions differ by the responsibilities, the amount of responsibilities they have. So every VCBR student have to pass with one rigorous recruitment process and with great responsibilities they have. So this is next I am talking about the flagship events that VCBR organized in the past year. That was the weekly quiz and the grand quiz. Weekly quiz was one of a type of quiz. We organized it on the weekly basis. It was held on every Friday, which consisted questions of various domains, as in mental reasoning, mental ability, content writing for the coding purpose. And the grand quiz actually focused, and this was a grand quiz that actually focused on the coding side. It was somewhat a 35 minutes quiz in which student had a chance, so they can take part in this quiz and win exciting prizes. We in the pricing portion, we provided various goodies to the students from t-shirts, from various discount coupons at various organizations. So what's the learning strategy here at VCBR? We see is we share ideas with students from all over the India, as we don't focus from which country or from which region do you belong to. That means we all are here from every region in India. That means some of you could be from Delhi, some could be from Jaipur, some could be from Mumbai, and everything. We have more than 4,000 students or 6,000 students in VCBR. So we'll be nurturing our talent in VCBR, and we definitely get an experience working with the company. That means if you are doing an internship at VCBR, you will be definitely facing a lot of issues, like how to deal with other students, how to deal with the management stuff, how to manage our projects that has to be completed on the deadlines. So these are a few things, and these are such short things that we actually learn during our life by staying at VCBR. So definitely we'll be building relationships with the alumni team also, like the person who will be guiding you throughout this next 1 month. You will be building a relationship with that person, and he or she will be guiding you throughout the internship program. So what's our current status at VCBR is, I'll be just describing that. So we have 30 plus student partners. That means that includes admins, experts, junior mentor, and the senior mentors. And we have more than 4,000 students enrolled in VCBR community. So we help them, and we have students linked from 50 plus colleges. That means we have a huge database and a fan following at VCBR. So next, one of our core values was to collaborate. So collaboration is a joint effort for the multiple individuals. That means if we all need to accomplish a project, we definitely want that I alone won't be able to complete this project on my sole purpose. So definitely we'll be taking help from other students, those who have great knowledge. Supposingly I have a knowledge about the front end, so I'll definitely try my best to collaborate with the person who knows more information about the backend. And if we are connected with if both front end and back end are connected, we'll be needing a person for the database, for the marketing purpose, for the graphic designing. So everything that comes here by joining all the domains is in collaboration. So we'll help you to reach thousands of students all over the India. We'll help you to expand. VCBR opens a new channel for communication and will boost your morale across the organization, and definitely it will lead to higher retention rates. And this next I'll pass it on to the Rohan, the founder of this VCBR, and Ridul, he will be telling more about the internship program.
Yeah, thank you, Art, very much for the small introduction about VCBR. So, guys, I think now you know about little about how the VCBR works and what we guys are doing in VCBR and how we are collaborating with thousands of students all over country India. Okay, so you guys must be wondering what we will be doing in the next 4 weeks and what all things that we are going to give you in the experience in the field of web development. Okay, so definitely you are going to learn something from this internship. Definitely we will help you to build a good production level website. I think most of you are not familiar with the word production, or let me first explain what is the meaning of production level websites. So guys, actually what you guys make on your local machine is just a testing level websites or applications, because most of you are not considering the worst case of the application. For example, if someone is doing a particular step, what will be the result of that step? If someone goes and hack your system, how you can protect it? Okay, so these all are things, the worst things come in the case of production level website, and we are going to solve all these problems. Okay, so we will help you to give enough experience in the field of web development, because as you know that this is a web development internship, and maybe some of you are joining as the SEO expert. So don't worry, we will help you to reach, we will help you to gain enough experience so that next time whenever you join any corporate sector, you will definitely gonna give them a good experience in the field of web development. Okay, so before moving further into this session, I would like you to make this session interactive, little interactive, by just introducing yourself, maybe giving us your name, college name, and what are your skills are. So what all guys you doing in your lockdown. So let's start with a small introduction. So you can just switch on your mic and start one by one.
Hi, I am Bhumika.
Hi,
So
Bhumi.
yeah, so I am from Guru Tegh Bahadur Institute of Technology, and I am here for the front end role. And previously, I have been part of a 4 month internship where I was a full stack web developer. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Very good.
Hello, myself Ashwini. Hello,
Yeah, hi Ashwini.
Hi, Ash.
I am from MSIT, and basically I am a front-end web developer. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Hello. Hi. I'm I previously done my internship as a backend developer at Cryo for 4 months, and today I'm got selected for front-end developer here in VCBR.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, please
Guys,
go on.
don't hesitate. We have to work as a team now, so please feel free.
Hi everyone, I'm Anuj.
Hi
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Anuj.
Hi everyone, I'm Anuj, a second year student from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, New Delhi, and I'm here for backend role, and I'm looking forward for making positive contribution to the company.
Okay. Sure. Next.
Hi, I am Manshinder, currently pursuing BTech from Delhi Technological University. I am here for front-end role, and also I am learning React for front-end.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Next.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello,
hi.
I am Yogesh Habda. I am from Maharaja Surajmal Institute of Technology. I am here for front-end development role, and I am also very much interested in competitive programming. I do competitive programming questions from CodeChef and various websites, and basically I am learning backend too. Thank you.
Okay, sure. Next.
Hello everyone, I am
I
Sitendra
am Radha
and
Sanseva.
I am from Manuratna.
Yeah, please go one by one.
Hello, I am myself Radha Sanseva. I am from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering and I am here for front-end role.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Satinder and I am from Manavratna International Institute of Research and Studies. I am here for front-end developer and I am very interested in the field of cybersecurity and loves competitive programming.
Okay. Next.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanjana Singh and I'm a student of GIMS Greater Noida and I'm here as a SEO expert and love to explore the things and learning new skills. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone else?
Who else is left? Akash, Ashwani, Likit, anyone?
Guys, can we have your introduction, please? Please don't hesitate. It will make sure that your team members know more about you.
Okay, Ashwani. Likit is saying his mic is not working.
Okay. Let's carry on with our session. So, guys, we have already developed a team for you in which you will be working on. So, you will be giving, we will be giving you two projects, 2 to 3 projects, according to the internship duration and your skill set. So, we have basically developed 2 teams. In which you will be getting first team in which projects such as you will be working on the quiz website, okay, and the second team in which they will be working on the dashboard website for the VCBR student partner login. Okay, so we will be helping you out all the information about what you have to do, how you have to do passed to you through the email bcbr.co on that mail. So please say.
You are not audible, Rohan.
So there is not a. Yeah. Can anyone hear me? Okay. So okay, let me first repeat it. So we guys have actually provided you an email @vcbr.co email on which everything about the internship will be provided, such as what task you have to do and how you have to do. Okay, so please keep checking your mail daily and just revert back in case you have any kind of problem. Okay, so let us understand how or what tech stack we'll be working on. So I think Mridul will be going to deliver you a small explanation on what and how we will be going in this 4 week duration of internship. So over to you, Mridul.
Yes, thank you, Rohan. Hello, everyone. I am Mridul. I'm also the founder of VCBR organization. So first of all, congratulations to you guys that for being selected from so many applications. We really liked your work. Okay, so I'll share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now I'll be showing you the technologies basically we'll be using in our projects. Okay, so I'll start with the front end. So the selection task which was given to the front end participants was to make a registration page, and you guys really did well. We really loved your projects. So, but I would like to address some of the things which you can say as basic tips, which you can say that for you one must use for your website to look basically a bit more professional. Okay, so now I'll show you a sample of a login system which we created a few months back for our VCBR Connect. Uh, so the purpose of showing you this is to basically to give you an idea that what quality of work we are expecting from you guys. Okay, so you can see this is a login page and this is the register page. Okay, so I'll start with those points first of all. Okay, so let me start with the color theme basically. So now what happens is a lot of developers I've seen use so many colors in a single website. So basically we are not able to then identify we cannot say that this is a particular theme of this website. So this is a famous example of, you can see this pennyjuice.com. You can see that in this website this is a mix of colors and you can't specifically say that
Mridul, the website is not visible.
Not visible.
Yeah, it's on the presentation page.
Please reshare your screen.
Okay, 1 second. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So this was the VCBR Connect I was telling you. The VCBR Connect login portal. The purpose of showing you this is to basically give you an idea that what quality of work we are expecting from you. Okay. So this is our login page and this is the register page. So now I'll tell you. Let me show you. Let me come to those points which I was talking about. Okay. So is this website visible? Pennyjuice.com.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so I was talking about the color theme first. Okay, so now as I told that lot of developers use so many colors. So you can see that this website, you can't say that this website has a specific color theme. This is a total mess, you can say. So in correspondence to this, I would like to show you our VCBR toolkit website. You can simply see that a particular color theme is followed, that green, black, or kind of this. You can see any page, and obviously the main colors should reflect your main color theme which you have chosen. Okay, so second thing I would like to tell you is about the fonts. Now what happens in this same pennyjuice.com, I'll show you for to those who don't know, this is a Chrome extension named What Font. With the help of this, you can know the font of any online website. Okay, this is useful for front-end developers specifically. So you can see that the same font, which is Roboto, is used in the whole website, whether it's the title or the body text. This is really a bad practice. What I have done a lot of research on this, and I'm telling you on my experience that what professionals suggest is basically you should use a combination of fonts and a combination of serif and sans serif fonts. The front end people must be aware about this. So for example, you can see this is Meriwether Roboto. So if you are using a serif font in a title, then you should definitely go for a sans serif in the body text, and vice versa. You can use either of them, but you should basically choose a pair of it. Okay. So next thing I would like to tell you is the fancy GIFs or images we use in our websites. Okay, no doubt that it really looks beautiful, but what actually the problem with this is it takes you one step away from professionalism. So if you talk about the big company websites, for example Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, etc., you will never see on their website that they're using that heavy gifs or images. So the problem with that is basically that it degrades the performance of your website and it slows down the loading speed. Now as a company, if you are making a website, uh, your purpose will obviously be to reach more and more audience as possible. But if your website is heavy and you are using such heavy gifs or images, you will obviously not be able, your audience would not be able to access your website. Also, if your website is light, then also the internet connection, if there are a lot of areas where internet is not stable, so you should think professionally, a little bit more professionally, and create your designs according to that. Okay, so one last thing I would say, I also saw this in some of your designs, which the selection task basically front end. There, the company, there are both companies which can use their logo in this login or register page, or they cannot. It's totally their choice. But make sure that if you are using the logo, it should be visible. And basically the purpose of, what is the purpose of logo? That it is basically planting the brand, your brand, to the head of the user, right? So but just make sure that if you are using it, you can simply it should be visible, and just use it, place it at a proper position. So as I was telling about the heavy gifs or images, I can show you a very good alternative for that, which is a website known as transparenttextures.com. So there are a lot of templates available. You can simply use put here the hex code of your color theme or whatever you have chosen. Directly you can also choose a color here, and as you can see, this thing I used here just in a different color. So, and you can directly copy CSS from here. Okay, so these were the main things that you should definitely keep in mind if you want to create a professional website. Now I'll come back to my presentation. Now let's start. The next is our backend. The selection task for the backend was a quiz organized by VCBR on the VCBR platform, where the top 4 contestants were chosen basically. So the technology we'll be using in backend is this Express, Node.js, and MongoDB. The MongoDB non-SQL database you must be aware about already, the backend guys. So I'll show you. We'll use the npm. One second. Yeah, this one. Okay, so we'll use this npm. You must already be aware of the node package manager. All the modules are available. You can simply search, and as simply as you install it with npm install, you already know it. Okay, so one thing I would like to tell you as a developer, that you should be really used uh, to tackle those long documentation of these modules. So you should be actually capable of extracting what is the useful thing from this documentation, which methods you want to use, and all that. So if you are really not used to it, this is the best time to start practicing it. And trust me, I'm telling through my own experience, this is the most important thing for a backend developer. Okay, so coming to next thing, that is our SEO. Now SEO in itself is a very vast field. There are different types of SEO: on page SEO, off page SEO, and we have to basically do a lot of things. Create backlinks. We have to search for the keyword volumes, which keyword is being searched for how many times during a monthly, what is it cost, and so many things. And okay, so as Rohan told you that we guys have divided you in different teams. And one thing I would like to tell you in this internship, that first of all, if you are facing any problem, just try it yourself. Try to give it as much time as possible. it would really be worth it once you are this research work is very important. This is the main thing from where you really learn something by implementing it. You can also take help from different teams if you want. There is no problem in that. Just the main point is just give it a shot, give it your best shot. So one thing, okay, so in short I can say that the amount of effort you will put will be directly proportional to the experience you'll take from here. Okay, so for best experience, I promise you, if that you really work hard, you really work up to the requirement, your experience will be worth it from here. As Rohan told, the development or the deployment websites, you will deploy the web projects in front of you, and you'll gain a lot of experience. Okay, so this was it from my side. Thank you, guys. Over to you, Arth Rohan.
Okay. So guys, let me first explain how will be your 4 weeks will be scheduled. So every day you will be receiving a small task on your email account at the rate vcbr.co, and in which we will be providing you what task you will be given, what you have to do in that day, in that particular day. Okay, so there is no need for any kind of just rushing out that we have to work 6 to 7 hours a day. It is not the case. You can work anywhere, anytime you want. Okay, but we want you to complete the task within the deadline, within the given day. Okay, so you will be having Saturday and Sunday off. Only you will be having the task 5 days a week. Okay, so in the task, we will be providing you the team members. In the first mail, we will providing you the team members whom will you going to be work with, and we will providing you the number so that you can contact them personally and just start doing the project work. Okay, so every week we will be having a small connect session. You can say the catch up session, in which we will be just talking about how was your week and what you guys were doing and what all things you have got and what all new things that you have learned that week. Okay, so it will be a half-an-hour session, I think, on Friday, and we will be just discussing about what all experience that you have gained in that particular week. So guys, I think 4 weeks will be enough for you to complete the project, and within your own deadline you can just match it out and definitely get the best out of it. Okay, um, I think we should now open for questionnaires, so you can start your questions now. You can ask
So
anything you want.
before questioning, I would say that if anyone has the problem with the email thing, we know that Aman Kumar has a problem. We will resolve it. If anyone else has a problem with email, setting up the email, you can contact us. Okay. Now you can ask questions.
Excuse me. I want to know what type of certification at the end of this 4 week you are providing us.
So we will be providing you the web development, whether it you are front end or back end. So we will be providing you the certificate of the 4 weeks internship that you have done at VCBR according to the tech stack that you are working on.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Any more question, guys?
This is a live
So,
Q&A session for everyone, please.
Excuse me.
yeah.
I have a question regarding the project. Will we be choosing the project, the quiz one or the dashboard one, or will be working on both of them, or what is the process?
No, actually, we have already decided who is working on what kind of project. So we will be providing you instructions whether you are work chosen for the dashboard or the quiz project. Okay.
You will be working on one of the project, not both of them.
Okay, okay, okay.
Guys, please go ahead and ask your questions.
Okay, has everyone set up the mail, the vcbr.co mail we provided?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
I
So
have
anyone
I
else
have
for
a
question?
problem with the email, and I have concerned you about that.
Yeah, man, we are aware of that, and yeah, we'll provide you with your new email ID just today.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
And when this will all begin, it will begin tomorrow onwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all the instructions, like where do we have to share the code or something, will be provided in the mail, right?
Yeah. So we will be providing you everything in the mail, how you have to do the task and what all things you need to provide to us after you have completed the task. So we will be dividing the project into step by steps. Uh, uh, when you complete the first step, then you have to revert us back the code. And after that, you have to complete the second step and then revert back the code to us. So everything will be mentioned in the mail. If you do not understand anything, you can just WhatsApp us on the VCBR uh, help official, or you can just mail us on the VCBR help@vcbr.co. So yeah.
And
So
as
if
long
anyone,
as resources are concerned, I would say that if you face any problem and you found a proper particular solution, any article or anything which from which you are able to solve that problem, so I would say that you can send that resource to that main WhatsApp group which you are present in. So those resources would really be useful the next time you will make any project. So at the end of the internship, we can make a PDF of it and share it with all of you guys. So you just keep sending those resources, only important resources, to that WhatsApp group with a little description that what thing did it solve, what problem did it solve.
And so the kind of technology I will be using, for example, in front end, I will be using JavaScript or Bootstrap or CSS for styling, is totally up to me, or you will be provide, or you will be providing me what kind of technology I need to use in making this thing or that thing.
Style is up to you, but it's totally up to you. Style is totally up to you. We can later, if any modifications would be required later, we would see that. You will be working as a team, so there will be basically 2 to 3 minds working on a single project, single interface, you can say.
so guys, if anyone has question, please ask it now, or we will be going to end this now.
Okay, I guess
So any
no
more questions?
questions.
No question. Okay. So thank you guys very much for joining as the intern at VCBR. And from tomorrow onwards, you will be receiving uh, the mail in which what task you have to do and what team you are chosen and what project you will be working on. And finally, you can contact your team members by your own. And if you face any problem, you can just contact us on VCBR help, either on WhatsApp or using the email. And every Friday, not this Friday, next Friday onwards, we will be having a small catch-up session in which we will be discussing about how was your week and what all things you have discovered lately. Okay, so guys, that's all.
All the best,
Yeah,
guys.
thank you very
Just
much.
try to get the most of it and work just really hard. Okay.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And